Hey, what's up guys, Simran here, back again with another video, and in this video let's take a look at the top tips, tricks and features of the Realme 6i. I recommend you to watch this video till the end and let's begin. The first feature is about playing the videos in the floating window. Open the browser, play any video, tap on this icon. Go to home screen and you will see a floating window on the home screen. This helps to watch the videos while multitasking. Next feature is about the multi-window. Open any application. Use 3 fingers to slide up. And this will open the app in multi-window. Open any other app and enjoy using the multi-window on your Realme 6i. Next feature is about the dark mode. Go to settings. Display. Turn on the dark mode to enjoy the black screen on the phone. Even the third-party apps like WhatsApp and Instagram are also supported in the dark mode. Next feature is about taking the screenshots. The traditional way to take a screenshot is to hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for a few seconds to take a screenshot. Now you can slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. There is a new feature called partial screenshot. Hold the 3 fingers on the screen and scroll down to take the partial screenshot. After taking the screenshot, you can rearrange or resize the image according to your liking. This phone comes with a 90Hz refresh rate for smooth user experience. Let's go to settings, screen and brightness, screen refresh rate. You can set it to 60Hz or 90Hz or to the auto mode. Whenever there is a slight touch on the fingerprint scanner, it unlocks the phone. Few of you may find this to be irritating. To avoid this, go to settings, fingerprint, personalized characteristics, select firm touch. Now you will have to physically press the button to unlock the phone. Next feature is about turning on the Google Assistant. You can long press the power button to turn on the Google Assistant. This is very handy when you are using the navigation gestures. Next feature is about the lock screen wallpapers. Every time you press the power button, the wallpaper keeps changing. Few of you may not like this feature. So, go to settings on the phone, home screen and lock screen magazine, scroll down. You can turn on or off the lock screen magazine. Next feature is about the camera. You can touch anywhere on the screen to take a picture. Go to settings, enable touch to take a photo. It works on both rear and front camera. Next feature is about enabling the battery percentage. Go to settings, notification and status bar, enable the battery percentage, and you are done. Next feature is about the screen recording. Open the notification panel, tap on the screen recording button, tap on the red button to start recording. Again tap on the red button to stop the recording. So these were the tips, tricks and features of the Realme 6i. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.